12 cheetahs were flown to the country in February, and the Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh became their home. But for the past 1 month, things are not going too well for the cheetahs. Second cheetah failed to survive at Kuno and breathed his last. 6-year-old Uday died after falling sick on Sunday morning, 2 months after he was flown to India from South Africa. The death of Uday, as the cheetah has been recently christened, brings the death toll of cheetahs in India in recent months to 2, after a Namibian cheetah, Sasha, died of kidney disease in March. At the daily checkup, Uday appeared lethargic and was limping. He was taken to the quarantine enclosure for treatment but died in the process. A team of 5 veterinarians from Jabalpur and Bhopal has been rushed to Kuno and is expected to conduct a post-mortem on Monday to ascertain the cause of death. The wildlife medical team inspected the cheetah and he appeared sick. The doctors and cheetah experts from Cheetah Conservation Fund decided to shift to a quarantine enclosure immediately, J.S. Chauhan, the MP Forest Chief Wildlife Warden, informed. During routine check at around 9 am, Uday was found sitting in a lethargic state. When forest experts approached him, he got up and staggered a bit, another official added. 12 cheetahs from South Africa were translocated to India on 18 February this year after a delay of many months. They joined 8 others from Namibia that had been brought to the country in September 2022. The Cheetah Translocation Project is the biggest conservation experiment of its kind, and its progress is being watched closely by experts from across the world. While the Namibian cheetahs are slowly being transitioned into the wild, the South African cheetahs have been shifted to larger fenced enclosures in order to acclimatize before they are released into the wild. The South African cheetahs had been in mandatory quarantine for over 1 month in India. Uday died after being shifted back to the quarantine enclosure from the larger fenced one. The total number of cheetahs in the country now stands at 22 after one of the cheetahs gave birth to 4 cubs last month. The surviving cheetahs are reportedly healthy. While releasing the 8 cheetahs from Namibia in the Kuno National Park, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said that India has a chance to restore an element of biodiversity that had been lost long ago. However, experts say that India does not have the habitat or prey species for African cheetahs and that the project may not fulfill its aim of grassland conservation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.